In this video, you'll learn how to buy Sun tokens on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the platform to make your purchase. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, locate the wallet section in the top menu. Click on it to open your wallet overview. Here, you can check your account balance. If your balance is empty, you will need to deposit funds. Ensure you have a tradable currency such as USDT or BTC, as these are commonly used for purchasing Sun tokens. After making a deposit, confirm that the funds appear in your spot wallet before you continue. It is important to stay logged in during this process to facilitate trading. Next, navigate to the trade option in the top menu and select the spot trading interface. This will take you to the trading platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In the search bar, type in the Sun trading pair, for example, Sun/USDD from the drop-down list. Select the correct trading pair. Once selected, you will see the price chart and order book for this pair. Take a moment to review these details. Decide whether you want to place a market order which buys at the current market price or a limit order where you set a specific price at which you want to buy. After deciding on your order type, it's time to place your buy order. Enter the amount of Sun tokens you wish to purchase in the designated field. Carefully review the order details to ensure everything is correct before submission. When you are ready, click the Buy Sun button to execute the trade. Depending on the type of order you placed, you may need to wait for the order to complete. Market orders typically execute immediately, while limit orders may take longer depending on market conditions. Once your order is completed, you can check your wallet to verify that the Sun tokens have been successfully added. Navigate back to the wallet section and look for your new balance of Sun tokens. This confirmation ensures that your transaction was successful and that you now own Sun tokens in your Binance account. If you encounter any issues, double check your order history for any alerts or notifications regarding your transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.